Center, jwsolarusa. Today I got you something I want to show you right there. From Amazon, made by Eseesmart Home Security Systems. Well, this is what I have here for you guys, and we're gonna unbox prizes for you guys coming up soon here. As you stay tuned with the videos and stay tuned with the channel, and you subscribe, like, and share the videos. Look at that. This is what we have, a special box here. Let's take a close look at it. Look at that. Nice. Who doesn't like security cameras? Who doesn't like home security systems? Especially when you have to avoid all kind of wires you're going to be going through now, and tangle all this stuff, passing, drilling holes and putting some nails and all that kind of stuff into your house. Who likes that? Nobody likes that anymore, because you want to keep your house really nice, cool, and the value of your house is still really highly it's high on price, and you know, you don't want to repair a house with all kind of patches. You can see, even though they fix it, they repaint it, you're still gonna notice that. Or if you don't want to go through all this kind of stuff, you pay a professional person to do that, and it costs you a whole fortune of money. So this is what I have for you guys today. Home improvement system. Control your home with your smartphone. Smart home kit with the Wi-Fi HD. Comes from Eseesmart. Check it out. Let's open it up and see what's going on here today. And I love showing you guys updates and give you guys all technology coming live from this channel. From Minnesota, jwsolarusa. Let's go through this one quick. Of course, it comes with a manual. Always, manuals are good and fun for people who doesn't know how to navigate things easily, or who are not like a tech guru. And it comes with a 433 megahertz smart home. That's the frequency right there. Look at your cell phone right here. See, you capture this thing, motion detection, and you can utilize it. There's a camera and motion sensor. You got a sensors for your windows and doors. You know, that comes with a bell right here. So there's a push bell thing. Let's check it out. Go through all this stuff. Like I said, little cards here and there. Little manual here and there. This is the doorbell thing. Cool. See that? Subscribe, like, and share. Look at that. There's a battery in there. Blue light that tells you it's ringing. Ding dong. All right. Let's go through this. What else? We have a charging cord. Who doesn't like power cords? These are the ones, the future. If you don't have this one, you can have all the tech machines and everything with you. It's useless. It's not gonna work. If you don't have a charger, like a cell phone or anything, your phone dies, you're done. It's just a toy. So this is the motion sensor that comes with it. You can pick up signal, and you can able to program that. It says an on and off button on that thing. So go through that and let's take a look. And here's a mounting thing here, a wall mount. You can position the camera because it screws right underneath here, and just keep screwing this, and there's two holes here. You can mount on the wall. You can reposition the camera any angle you want, how you want your camera to angle or to aim. So excited about this. Here comes another mount right here. Is a portable one you can able to utilize to fix on the back of this guy right here. See that? You slide this one all the way. See? You slide all the way down. Then there you go. Then you can pivot any angle the way you want it. You want the motion camera to aim you know, different angle. You set it at certain angle or degree you want to capture the motion from each angle. So let's go back here. Here comes a big boy. Whoo! Looks like a robotic. Wow! There we go. Here comes the boy. Hello, this is from space. We're talking with the aliens. He looks like a little alien guy right here. So look at all the gears that comes with it. Comes with the bell, the charger, and all the tech guru stuff. Look at that. Look at the manual or the box right here. It seems like that. Everything looks great. What I want you to do, you have to go to Amazon.com, and I'm going to put a description on the link below, and go about it and purchase this stuff here. Tell Eseesmart that jwsolarusa sent you, and you're going to be having some credits, you know, but just calling my name on that thing, and make sure you tell them jwsolarusa sent you. Then they say, I saw the review from jwsolarusa, and it's a kind of like they're gonna work with you on any of these machines or this camera. Because I'm doing this review, I want you guys to encourage you, because this is really cool. Like, you can work with it with your solar system. You can set up, if you don't have the software, the monitor for your system at home, and to see how your system is doing. And nobody has to be home. And even if the kids are not home and they come home, they can just say, Mom, on the door. They can open the door anywhere your mom is, because it's wireless control. That's why you see that frequency was there. So you see the frequency, which is the 433 megahertz. That's the frequency you operate on. So folks, this is a good device, a good machine. I have another plan for it, folks. Let me give you a little bit description of about this thing. So the Eseesmart home kit is a deal kit for anyone wish to install a security system inside the house, complete with a magnetic sensor for window and door. The unit detects any forceful break into in a well as any suspicious movement in a room by means of movement in a room by means of a passive motion sensor. The kit comes with an IP camera, one doorbell sensor, one PIR sensor, and two door/windows sensor. Well, another option, it comes with a smoke sensor or gas sensor is an option. Okay, I think you have to buy those extra if you want to just do this kind of stuff, because hey, they gave you all kind of thing. You can able to add this to really soup up this thing the way you want it. All right, even for smoke and gas. If something happens, a gas leak or whatever, it can trigger a message right away to your phone telling you what is going on in the house. Easy to install and set up. You will have your own security alarm system running in no time. It's also fully programmable. The Eseesmart home kit will automatically call your number in case a security system is breached. It can also be used to play or record messages or custom sounds. There are no worries at all in your house. So call the system from your phone and actually listen to what's going on. This is really cool. You see, these are all the things that comprises the system. The system comes with a complete IP camera, which is the IP camera right here. It comes with the PIR sensor, which is this guy right here, and the doorbell sensor right here. Okay, it comes with the charger, And hold on, there are a few things here. There they are. I almost forgot them in the box. These are the window sensors you can place on your window or door. You know, when this one attached on the side of the door and this one be on the other side, when you open the door and it detach like a magnet and it triggers the sensor, the signal to the camera get activated. These are all the nuts, the screws that goes to your sheetrock, and a few more things back here. So folks, these are all the stuff that comes with it. And also it covers a wide angle. It covers every angle. Connect, doorbell. You can call from the camera side. Camera will send you a ding dong. Okay? The camera will sound ding dong when you press the button right there. It supports multi-user viewing. It's easy to install. Okay? It's a real-time protection for home. It's a property, security, and child safety. It's good for all this stuff, okay? And it also has a PTZ, okay? A PTZ that makes you can able to pan and tilt and zoom, okay? You can zoom, you can tilt, you can pan. So PTZ, that's what it meant. So you can able to preset a fixed point position, one key, locating security and efficient. So you can able to go around, do anything you want to do with this little guy here. So there's a microphone right here. The microphone, you speak to this thing, and this thing can spin around almost 335, no, 360, and you can play. There's a play button back here. This is the thing I was talking about. You can use a tripod to go about it. So let's just use something like this nature, okay? Something like this nature. Okay, if it was a tripod. So let's just assume it was a tripod. So it's gonna stand just like this. All right. So the other way, again, you can able to put this thing right there. Is designed for this. Remember this mounting for the wall, and voila, it's already mounted. You can able to set this guy in different angle. It tilt, goes different way. So you can able to mount it on the wall. It's gonna go like this. So guys, this is, I'll recommend you guys. I'll put a link on the description below. This thing can spin back, and you can able to talk back on this thing, the speaker right here, and you have a play button right here. There is the port right here, just like a cell phone port, and a reset button. So if I can take a look closely, it uses about 5 volt DC. It's a 5 volt DC. I suppose you can see that. It's a very good machine. It's a very good machine. It's a little robot. And stay tuned for this, and make sure you subscribe and follow the link on the description below on the Eseesmart, and tell them JW Solar USA sent you, and they can able to work with you on anything right there. Send them a message and tell them JW Solar USA sent you. Say hello to Sandy. Say, Sandy, this is JW Solar USA who sent me to purchase this stuff from you, and Sandy will work with you and give you a better deal, okay? And see what she can do for you, and maybe a price match and all that kind of stuff. You check it out on Amazon.com. Check on the Eseesmart. look at this. It's a nice little robot. And after all these things connected, you can just push this. See? Like a bell. It's gonna trigger a message right away to your mom or your daughter or your father or all kind of whosoever, brother, to send this message that someone right on the door, and they can just go ahead and see the demonstration right here. See the phone? It shows when you push the ding dong thing, it's gonna give right away a notification. And just like you pop that thing, push the button. When you push the button, it's gonna show and check on the phone right away. And there's a software that comes with it. You know, it works with it works with Android device and all Windows and all the other operating system, Apple. So you don't have to worry about anything. Guys, check out this thing. Go to Eseesmart on Amazon and talk to Sandy. Say jwsolarusa sent you. And after this review, guys, I have a big surprise for you guys. This video goes over 5 to 1,000 views within a week. 5 to 1,000 views a week to a 2. I'm gonna push it a week to a 2. I have a special thing for you guys, what I'm gonna do about this stuff. So it's a big surprise. I'm not gonna tell you right now. So share the video, like, subscribe on this video, share it around, because I have a big surprise for you guys. Anyone that participates on this one, I have a special thing I'm gonna be doing. Check that on the next video. If you're really curious to know what's gonna happen to this camera or to this security system here, subscribe, like, comment, leave a comment. Then I will tell you on the next video what's gonna happen with this one. But this video go 500 to 1,000. That's the time I'm gonna tell you what's gonna happen next with this video. Okay? That's the time I'm gonna tell you what's gonna happen or what else all of you guys gonna get, or what someone else gonna get from just this video, live from the command center. This is jwsolarusa. Talk to Sandy. Eseesmart on Amazon. Thank you. Bye for now.